Vertical drains and vacuum consolidation. Cohesive soils generally have low permeability characteristics. Consolidation of this soil type relies on the ability to evacuate water out of the soil matrix. This process can take a considerable time without intervention. Installing a network of vertical drains creates clear drainage pathways, which combined with post-installation, preloading or surcharging greatly accelerates the duration of the consolidation. Depending upon the requirements for the project and its ground conditions, there are various types of vertical drains, round and flat, which come in a variety of sizes to suit the required consolidation period. Sunzo Vacuum is an atmospheric consolidation technique which is used to accelerate the consolidation of cohesive, very compressible soils. Negative pressure is created when an airtight membrane is laid over the soil, and this generates an atmospheric pressure on the soil. With early preloading, this can significantly reduce the duration of consolidation. Vertical drains comprise a plastic core which is surrounded by a geotextile to prevent clogging. Subject to the ground conditions, either static, dynamic, or static dynamic installation methods are employed. The mandrel is attached to a sliding mast, which is attached to the arm of an excavator or a crane. This allows the installation of vertical drain networks to depths of about 50 meters. The vacuum consolidation process is created when a vertical and horizontal draining system combined with a vacuum pumping system is installed under an airtight and impervious membrane. The membrane is sealed into a network of peripheral trenches. Sunzo China offers a wide range of ground improvement techniques, and combined with innovative designs, we can provide practical and sustainable solutions